Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Easter weekend sale plus the extended Spring Black Friday sale. 3 days only, so it's for this weekend. Friday starts today. So Friday, April 19 through Sunday, April 21. So you got 3 days to get all these items. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. I did take screenshots of these two coupons. I'll post them at the end of this video. So if you guys need a big screen for these coupons, you could take a picture of the computer or a screenshot on your phone and use those coupons. Feel free to use them. Alright, we got the super coupon, 25% off, Happy Easter 2 days only. So you got Saturday, 4/20/19 through Sunday 4/21/19. So you got Saturday and Sunday to use the 25% off coupon. I'm gonna see if I can make a video, like 5 or 10 items. I don't know if I'm gonna do 5 or 10. You could get with this 25% off coupon. I do have other videos you could get with the 20% off, but I'll see if I can make a new one for items. You can give you guys ideas what you guys could get with this coupon. And then here we got the 20% off, 3 days only. Yes, and you can use both of these, not on the same item, but you could use them on different items. So you could use 25% on maybe one item, and then this 20% on another item, and plus get your free light, and pretty much, yeah. So it's a good deal. You get 25 and 20% off the second item. All right, it says 3 days. Yeah, this one's 3 days only, so this one does start on Friday. It says April 19 to Sunday, April 21st. You got a free light here, the greatest super bright LED, working like flashlight. So yeah, these are nice, especially because they're free and they work real good. I do have them all over my house. I even got them in my solar system. You know, my dog house. I got them everywhere. Closets, toolbox, pretty much everywhere I could think. Alright, we got the reciprocating saw with rotating handle. $19.99. This has always been $19.99. We got the 4-in-1 screwdriver, $149. We usually get this for free. I'll see if I can post that coupon too. This is $87.50 max starting, 7,000 watt running, $529. So this is one of the bigger ones they got. You got the 3-gallon 100 psi oil-free air compressors, $39.99. It's always been that price, but it's still a good price for those compressors. Automatic battery floating charger for $4.99. 6-ounce fiberglass hammers, $2.99. Your choice. Heavy duty batteries, $3.99. 4-piece funnel set, 79 cents. If you guys want to buy something and get that light, you guys could go buy this for 79 cents. And then go get your light, free light. You got the 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart for $107. You got this is a nice one. 4-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader for 99 cents. I do have this one. It's nice. Maybe for two 2x4s or something like that. It was real good. You got the 80-piece rotary toolkit for $6.99. You got the 9-piece quick release magnetic nut sellers sets for $3.99. This is Warrior. And this is the extended Spring Black Friday sale. They had, I believe, the last sale they had. So this is also the same prices. You guys could get those items. This is one of the best deals they had. 7-amp pole saw, 9.5 bar, $49.99. 3,500 watt super quiet inverter generator, $689.99. Rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty low profile floor jack for $79.99. 24 feet, 18 bulbs, 12 sockets, outdoor string lights, $17.99. 1750 psi pressure washer, $69.99. Bowl miter saw stand, $89.99. Airless paint sprayer, $164.99. 4-channel wireless surveillance, $199. And then you got the 4.5 angle grinder, $9.99. So this is a great item to have if you have a shop, or even if you just DIY. If you want to have multiple discs, why not just have two of these? One with one disc and the other one with a different disc, or just as a backup, 10 by 10 feet canopy, $49.99. 5mm powder free natural gloves, pack of 100, $4.99. I do use these for work. I do. I don't know if you guys know, but I do pest control. So every time I get like an inspection job, or like a bed bug job or something like that, I put these on. So they work real good for like medium to heavy duty use. Not really heavy duty, like medium duty. 125 amp flex core welder, $194.99 or $94.99. 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics tech cart, $189.99. I do have the blue one. It's a nice cart. Solar rope light, $7.99. 20-volt lithium cordless extreme torque half-inch wrench kit, $239.99. 130-piece toolkit with case, $29.99. 4375 max starting, 33,500 running watts, $329. That's the newer one. 18-volt lithium cordless 3/8 drill driver kit, $24.99. You got the 21-gallon 125 psi oil lube air compressor, $159. This is usually $149. Now they have it $159. You got the 20-gallon 135 psi oil lube air compressor, $169. Ultralight crush proof weather resistant lockable case, $29.99. You got the mechanics gloves, $3.99. I do have these, work pretty good. 12-ton heavy duty industrial hydraulic power jack, $19.99. 6 feet by 8 feet aluminum greenhouse, $199.99. 18 gauge 2-in-1 nailer stapler, $14.99. I do have this, works good. 2,000 watt super quiet inverter generator, $449. It's a nice generator. 9,000 pound electric winch, $249. Got 6 feet type 2 fiberglass ladder, $54.99. That's a good price. Jump start and power pack, $59.99. I do have this. I do have the video on my channel. All you have to do is just put Viking and Toolhead on the search of YouTube, and you'll see my video there. I do have 2 videos of that. I have a unboxing video, and I have a 3-month review starting a V8. 6.5 horsepower, 212cc OHV horizontal gas engine, $9.99 or $99.99. 46-inch mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top, $219.99. 225-piece mechanics toolkit for $99.99. 10 by 17 feet portable, $167.99. You got a 40 by 72 moving blanket, $399. 12 TV wall mount for $9.99. This is a good one. It does have 5 stars. Pro impact wrenches, your choice, $99.99. And then you got the good, better, and best. You got this is like your DIY. This is your medium DIY to heavier use. And this is your professional level saw. This is definitely worth the money. These two are like real nice. I have this one, but not on the 12. I got the 10 sliding one. Compa miter saw. I love it. Worked real good. Cuts real nice. So we got the 12-inch Chicago Electric for $134.99. Got the Admiral 12-inch sliding compa miter saw, $169. Then we have the blue Hercules Professional dual bevel sliding compa miter saw, $299. 9,000 watts starting, 7250 running, $629. 3,100 psi pressure washer, $339. You got the 6-ton heavy duty jack stands, $29.99. 2 horsepower gas powered auger with the bit, a 6-inch bit, $169. 99. 300 ATV lawn mower lift, $74.99. 1250 lumens, portable lantern, $14.39. Industrial grade rubber air hose, $19.99. 30 by 18, 1,000 pound dolly, $10.99. You got the ratcheting tie downs, $5.99. I do have this one. Works real good. I'm currently working on a video, taking some lug nuts. I'll see if I can borrow my brother's truck, because my brother has a big truck, like a semi or something like that. He drives it for work. So I'm gonna see if I can borrow his truck and try to take some lug nuts off with this Bauer Impact. We'll see if it does it. We got the 26 by 22 single bank extra deep cabinets, $249.99. We got the 2,000 watt continuous, 4,000 watt peak power inverter, $119.99. Got the 3-piece decorative solar LED lights, $5.99. Oversized low profile creeper, $19.99. 2.4 horsepower, 10-inch industrial tile brick saw, $224.99. 20 volt cordless extreme torque, 3/8 impact wrench kit, $129. 4,000 watts max, 32 running watts, $279.99. And you got the 3-piece combination ratcheting, $18.99. This is the lowest I seen these. I got mine for $20, so that is a real good deal right there for $18. 588 lumen tactical flashlight, $9.99. These are real solid. Anything quantum is real good. 29-piece titanium drill bit set, $13.99. These are okay. Occasional use, not your professional, not gonna last forever. Don't expect them to last forever for $13. Flex core welding wire, 2-pound roll, $15.99. And then you got the 3/4, yeah. 100 feet commercial duty garden hose, $24.99. 4 amp 6 or 12 volts high frequency charger, $21.99. Heavy duty foldable aluminum sports chair, $19.99. You got the 4-gallon sprayer, $19.99. 64 piece half an inch socket sets, 1 4/3/8, $29.99. You got the electric paint spray gun, $14.99. I do have this, works real good. I still have it. I have about a year already with this, sitting out there in the sun and everything. Works great. Might buy another one for my other hose. 3-piece hex drill bits driver set, $199. This works great. This is mostly for woodworking and stuff like that. I tried removing some lug nuts with my Hercules, and these broke. But you know what? Not just these broke, but my Milwaukee broke too. So that tells you that, you know, it's not really designed for taking lug nuts off, but they work. Sometimes they work. 15 toolbox with 14 pockets, $5.99. Get the V-shape hang all, 99 cents. Ammo dry box, $3.99. Latex coated work gloves. These are great for storage, by the way. Storage in the garage. Coated gloves, 99 cents. 5 by 7 feet, $199. Usually we get this free coupon. By 6-inch bimetal reciprocating saw blade, $6.99. 310 lumens headlamp, just under $10. Alkaline batteries, $5.99. It's not a bad deal for AAA and AA. It says also available C, D, or 9 volts, 2-pack size. It's not a bad deal. Pneumatic adjustable roller seat, $19.99. 25 feet. Usually we get this for free. There's if you guys need the coupons for those, I can always email you a coupon. Just leave me your email in your comment section, or just wait for my coupon video. 2,000 lumens LED super bright light flip lights, $199. I do have this in my closet. Works real good. Still works. Had one fail on me, but you know, that's how it is. But the other two been fine. I mean, last forever. 4.5 angle grinding wheel for metal, 99 cents. 4-in-1 aluminum rafter angle square, $199. Fly swatter, $2.99. I've been using this thing so much. You couldn't believe I've been killing so many flies. There's so many flies out at this time of year, you know. 1,500 watt temperature heat gun, $8.99 works great. Real basic, but it works. 10 feet, 16. I do have the video on my channel. Tool head, and just put 1500 watt dual temperature heat gun on the search on YouTube. 10 feet gauge indoor, 16 gauge indoor extension. This is indoor outdoor, $3.99. Rotating magnetic work light, $4.99. 6-inch magnetic parts holder, $1.99. This used to be free. I don't know if they still have it. 2-piece, 1/4 cargo D-ring anchors, $1.99. Safety glasses, $1.29. Battery operated liquids transfer pump, $6.99. 7-inch wire stripper, $2.99. And that's a wire stripper. I didn't say stripper. Portable folding LED work light, $3.99. You got the 6-piece assorted length elastic stretch cords, $1.99. This is free coupon too for that one. 18-inch magnetic tool cart holder, or tool holder, not tool cart. I do have a video where you can put 2 of these back to back, and you can avoid drilling into your toolbox. So this is for $1.99. They usually have the coupon for this for free. You got the flag, old American flag, $9.99. 18-inch machete, $3.99. Alkaline batteries, $4.99. You got the disposable towels, $1.99. It's a nice little set, or a nice little package. And then we got the Hercules Beats DeWalt, $249.99. Actually, in the other video I have previous, I have this for $2. Is it? Yeah, this is $249. I believe this is the lowest we've seen it, $249. Yeah. Yeah, so they actually went down. So yeah, $249 is the lowest. I was gonna say I saw it lower, but not. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Stay tuned for that video. I will be making it later today. And so hit the subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.